important moment right now because
Okay. Madam Brenton, jeni gati tani për do të fillojmë nga shoqëruesja e katërt edhe Miss Globe.
filloj rajtjet e zemrës. Let's go.
Forta.
Okay. Well, the
Nuk besoj
beautiful
se e di,
journey is
sorry Madam, nuk e di se sa ndikuan pyetjet e vajzave për të krijuar një ide rreth inteligjencës, por që gjithsesi ju tashmë e keni zënë.
Yes.
such a beautiful journey watching these women share their incredible talents and knowledge and beauty with us. This evening, we're going to present the fourth runner-up, Miss Vietnam.
Shoqëruesja e katërt edhe Miss Globe, Miss Vietnam.
The fourth runner-up of the Miss Globe is Miss Vietnam.
Oh my God!
Congratulations, Miss Vietnam.
Parang mananalo at ang Philippines.
Shoqëruesja e katërt
Exciting.
edhe Miss Globe.
Oh my
Let's
God!
read that, Madam. Let's say together, Madam.
Pero ang bilis ng decision, parang may winner na ata. Bago pa ang Q&A. Ano ba yun?
Happy right now because she's gonna
Oh
be
my God!
third
Mananalo
runner-up.
ata si
Shoqëruesja
Jazz.
e tretë edhe Miss Globe.
And
Është
the third runner-up is Miss Germany.
Miss
Oh my
Germania.
God!
Miss Germany.
Miss Germania.
Ah, kaloka!
Edhe Miss Globe.
Miss Germany.
Oh my
is
God.
The third runner-up of Miss Globe 2024.
My God, mananalo at ang Philippines. May pag-asa.
Komplimenta Miss Germanis.
Kaya lang, ang bilis naman nila mag-decide.
Shoqëruesja e tretë.
I think they already have a winner. Actually, si Germany ang pinakadelikado dyan eh.
Congratulations.
Versus the Philippines.
Skena është për Miss
Actually, sa
Germany.
lima siya ang pinakamaganda. Pero iba yung dating ni Philippines, very elegant, very statuesque, ganda, poised na poised.
Thank you
Miss
so
Germany.
much, Miss Germany. Now, another girl is gonna be super happy.
Sino kaya ang last two? My God.
Këto tre vajzave realisht për Juri ka qenë një mision tepër i vështirë për të zgjedhur. Por kush është?
Siguro itong ikawalong crown ata natin for this year for the minor pageants.
Miss Philippines.
Ay,
Filipina!
Thailand ang mananalo ata, Thailand.
Globe!
Oh, baliktad. Oh, ay. Sino na? Ah, Colombia and Thailand. Ah, Colombia and Thailand. Ah, sa Thailand ako. Pero ganda ni ano, oh. Jasmine. Okay na yan.
Philippine, shoqëruesja e dytë.
Indonesia, hello.
Tani, jo.
Pasok ang Vietnam, Thailand, grabe.
We thank you so much, Malan. Thank you so much for sharing
Thank you
such a
so much,
beautiful
Malan.
moment with us.
The envelope.
Thank you. We're gonna need this.
Sepse
We
zonja
still
dhe
have
zotëri,
moments.
është momenti
Ah, Colombia or Thailand. Okay ako kahit sino.
e burorës.
Bigay natin sa Thailand.
Miss Malaysia,
Oh.
Alvin Kera. Yes.
Ano naman si Miss Malaysia?
To invite a beautiful beauty queen, Miss Anve Kera.
Yan ba yung nanalo last year, I think? Is she the one? Bakit sinabi Miss Malaysia, dapat Miss Globe. Nakakaloka rin ang design ng crown ng ano, no? Kakaiba. Ay! Iba yun. Nagrampa pa siya.
Here,
Saan ba siya pupunta?
here, Anve.
Mirë se vjen.
Nakakaloka itsura ng crown nila, kakaiba.
Welcome, Anve. Here's your wife. I'm pretty sure that everyone has been asking ask you for one last time.
Hmm.
How was your reign? Your reign as Miss Globe 2023.
Presentatin and hello Globe. I must say that my reign as a Miss Globe 2023 has been
Sayang, oh.
has
Malapit
been
na.
beautiful.
Pero I'm
I'd like
happy
to
naman
thank
for
the Miss Globe
Jasmine.
organization
That's
for
very
believing in
good.
me and giving me this opportunity of a lifetime.
Galing.
And of course,
Congratulations,
to my fans,
Jasmine.
to my
Congratulations.
country, Malaysia, and my supporters from all across the globe. Thank you so much for supporting me. I truly appreciate the love and the support that I have received throughout the year. I love you guys too, really. It's truly humbling.
Lumabas na ako sa screen kasi kinabahan na ako. Kala ko mananalo ang Philippines.
But for the 21st
Pero that was
edition
good.
of the Miss
That was a good run.
So
That was a
thank you
good
so much
fight.
to Miss Globe. Thank you so much everyone. I love all
Akala
of
ko
you.
siya na eh. Napaka-elegante niya.
Du weißt,
Statuesque,
dass du Menschen
elegant, beautiful. O, pwede pa natin isali siya sa MUPH or sa Miss Earth.
We are ready.
Gusto ko manalo,
for the
short hair
final
naman.
moment of tonight.
Sa, I'm rooting for Thailand.
One beauty queen is gonna crown
Go, Thailand.
another beauty queen. A girl. She's gonna start her reign.
Go
tonight.
Thailand!
Who's gonna be?
Ganda ni Thailand.
I'm gonna let Ambi open the envelope. Okay. Woo!
Përpara se të hapim Zati, do unë besoj se të gjitha komponentët në këtë mbrëmje të sotme ishin të denja,
Ai, nako.
të kuror unike, të realizuar me punim filigram, ndërsisht me dorë.
Naku,
nga
Thailand,
nga
chance mo na
qytetari
yan.
Miro, jetuar trofitje.
Dapat ikaw na.
All the girls were beautiful tonight. Everyone who participated in Miss Globe is
Sayang in
truly
Germany,
beautiful
ganda ng
inside
face.
and out. But now, we need just one name. The winner of the Miss Globe 2024 is Miss...
A jeni gati?
Miss...
The winner of the Miss Globe 2024 is Miss Colombia.
Miss Columbia! Fituese edhe Miss Globe.
Actually, mukha siyang Filipina eh. Mukhang Filipina, di ba? Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Ah, wait. Magka-profile, oh. Galing. Akala ko runner-up na naman ang Colombia eh. Ang Colombia, if you don't notice, palaging runner-up yan. So, almost pageants. Halos palagi silang runner-up. That's good.
Kolumbin, por edhe shoqërusja
Congratulations.
Shoqërusja e parë edhe Miss Globe, Miss Thailand.
Thank you so much, Miss Colombia. She is beauty, she is grace, she is
That's
the
good.
Miss
Congratulations, Colombia.
2024.
Të gjitha dritat që këqejnë
Bye.
fituese në këtij eventi. Fotografët po fotografojnë